Hello students, welcome to my class. I am your English teacher Adarsh Vili, and today we are going to study a poem that is Barches. It is by Robert Frost. So first of all let's see that the poem Barches is a symbolic poem. In the beginning we are made aware of the barches. Now what are barches? Barches are a common tree which is found in the forests of New England. So barches are tree and these trees are known for their flexibility. So here the poet is talking about the barches tree. In the beginning, we are made aware of the barches and their remarkable quality of flexibility of going up and down. The upward movement of the barches symbolizes the higher ideas and spiritual aspirations, whereas their downward movement symbolizes coming back to earth, that is reality. So in brief we can say that this is a poem which is about the reality of life and also about the spiritual aspirations. The barches are the forest trees with slender flexible branches that can easily swing up and down. It is a common sight in New England. When the poet was passing through the forest in New England countryside, he saw that there were a line of barches which can easily be distinguished from the other trees. As the color of the trunk of the barches trees is white and these trees and the other trees are darker in color, he notices that the branches of the barches trees were not were not were laid down, or they were bending down. So he thought that the branches are bent down due to the swinging of the boys who are living in that area, and it is a favorite pastime of the boys in the villages. We who bought their cattle for grazing in the forest, but then he realizes that the barch trees cannot be bent down permanently by the swinging of the boys. So he thought that what must be the reason why the branches of these trees are bent down? There must be some other reason. Then he recalls that the barches trees are bent down due to the load of ice. Now in that area of the country where we are talking about England, and over there snowstorms are very common. So during the snowstorm the ice is accumulated on the trees. He then recalls that his own childhood has been spent by swinging on the barch trees, and it has been his favorite pastime when he was a boy. He enjoyed going up and down on the barch when he was a boy. Now he is a grown up man of reality, but he wants to do the same thing which he done during his childhood tree, and he want to become a child once more. He wishes to swing on the barches and go up and down to escape from the harsh realities of life, but he does not want to remain up for a long time. He wants to come down on earth to do his earthly duties. The poets want to tell us that we should do our duties as well as we should also aspire to achieve our goals and ambitions in life. Now let's see the title of the poem. The title of the poem is Barches. The title of the poem is quite suggestive, and it is also a correct title because it focuses on the barch tree, the barches of which can go up and down in swinging motion. The barches do not remain mere trees as the poem advances, and the poet uses barches as the central metaphor for the main theme of the poem. He moves from description to reality. Now let's see the theme of the poem very quickly. In Barches the poet brings home the idea we should have a balance between our routine work on the earth, that is reality, and higher ideas or aspiration. He conveys this idea by using the central metaphor of the barches. Going up on the barches symbolizes the higher world of the human ideals, the human desires to withdraw from the harsh realities of life to the world of happiness and imagination. Each one of us has this desire, but it is not possible to maintain the position up in the world for the imagination forever. One who goes up needs to come down sooner or later. That is why the poet has taken this barch tree as a symbol which can go up as well as it can come down. So, by using these images, the poet want to tell us that the barch trees are very flexible, and while swinging on the barch tree, which was famous, or which we can say that the most favorable or the favorite sports of the boys in that locality, they used to pass their time by swinging on the barch tree. So, the barch tree is also termed here as a symbol which to escape from the reality of life. Going up and down on the barch tree symbolizes that one can escape from the reality of life for some time, then again he has to come down to his present position where he would maintain his work on earth as well. So, in this manner the poet has described everything which is related to the barch tree. So, the title of the poem is apt. Up till here now, we will continue with the extracts in the next video. Up till then, wait and also subscribe my video if you like.